Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by bringing the steak to room temperature so it cooks evenly and won't seize cold. Pat the surface dry, moisture blocks browning. Season now, salt draws flavor into the meat on contact. Once done, heat a heavy pan until it just starts to smoke, add 1 tablespoon oil, and lay the steak away from you. This aggressive first sear creates a brown crust via the Maillard reaction, which locks flavor and texture. Once you have a good crust, control the internal cook by lowering heat and timing carefully. For a 1-inch steak, sear about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Thicker cuts need longer. Flip just once with tongs to preserve juices, and in the final minute add butter, crushed garlic, and thyme. Baste continuously to impart flavor and finish the exterior. Make sure to check with an instant read thermometer. This prevents overshoot and guarantees that medium rare will be reached reliably. You must rest the steak to let juices redistribute. Rest 5 to 10 minutes, tented loosely with foil so the interior reaches the target without drying. Aim for about 130 degrees F after resting for medium rare because carryover heat raises temperature slightly. When slicing, cut across the grain for tenderness. If things go wrong, if it's overcooked, slice thin and serve with a sauce or compound butter. If undercooked, return to the pan briefly and monitor closely with your thermometer to correct.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.